Online tutoring, teaching and tutoring for extra income. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we explore the secrets of online tutoring, teaching and tutoring for extra income. Online tutoring offers a flexible and rewarding opportunity to earn extra income while sharing your knowledge and expertise with others. Whether you're an expert in a specific subject or skilled in a particular area, online tutoring allows you to connect with students from around the world and help them achieve their academic goals. With the rise of virtual learning and the increasing demand for personalized education, online tutoring has become a popular choice for both tutors and students. If you're looking for a fulfilling way to supplement your income and make a positive impact, online tutoring could be the perfect option for you. Before we start our video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support is invaluable to us. Number 10. Choose your platform. When starting online tutoring, selecting a reputable platform or creating your own website is crucial. Reputable platforms like Tutors, Wiscent, or Tutor.com offer established user bases and streamlined processes. They handle administrative tasks such as scheduling, payments, and student communication, allowing you to focus on teaching. Alternatively, creating your website provides more control over your brand and pricing, but requires marketing efforts to attract students. Whichever option you choose, ensure the platform aligns with your teaching goals and provides adequate support for tutors. Research platforms thoroughly, read reviews, and consider the platform's fees and policies before making a decision. Additionally, consider the specific features and tools offered by each platform, such as interactive whiteboards, messaging systems, or video conferencing capabilities, to ensure they meet your teaching needs. Number 9. Set your rates. When setting your hourly rate for online tutoring, it's important to consider your expertise and market rates. Start by researching the average rates for tutors in your subject area and geographical region. Take into account your level of experience, qualifications, and the demand for your expertise. Factor in any additional costs, such as platform fees or taxes, that may affect your pricing. Aim for a rate that reflects the value of your services while remaining competitive in the market. Keep in mind that you can always adjust your rates as you gain experience and establish yourself as a successful online tutor. Number 8. Create a schedule. Establishing a flexible tutoring schedule is essential for accommodating both your availability and your students' needs. Start by identifying the times when you are most productive and can dedicate uninterrupted time to tutoring. Consider your students' schedules, including their school or work hours, to determine the best times for sessions. Flexibility is key, so be open to adjusting your schedule based on demand and changing circumstances. Use a scheduling tool or calendar to manage appointments efficiently and avoid overbooking. Communicate your availability clearly to students and be responsive to their scheduling requests to provide a positive experience. Number 7. Prepare your materials. Developing engaging and informative teaching materials is essential for successful online tutoring sessions. Start by understanding your students' learning styles and needs. Use a variety of formats, such as slides, videos, and interactive quizzes to keep sessions dynamic. Focus on clear and concise explanations and include visuals like diagrams and charts to aid understanding. Incorporate real-life examples and case studies to make concepts relatable. Encourage interaction with polls, quizzes, and discussions to keep students engaged. Regularly update your materials to reflect new developments in the subject area and ensure they remain relevant. Number 6. Promote your services. To effectively market your tutoring services, utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to showcase your expertise and reach potential students. Encourage satisfied students to refer you to others through word of mouth, offering incentives if possible. Consider online advertising through platforms like Google Ads or social media ads to target specific demographics. Create engaging content related to your subject area to attract students organically. Attend local events or community gatherings to network and promote your services. Utilize online tutoring platforms to expand your reach and connect with students seeking tutoring services. Continuously evaluate and adjust your marketing strategies to maximize effectiveness. Number 5. Engage with students. Building rapport with your students is crucial for creating a supportive learning environment in online tutoring. Start by establishing open communication and demonstrating empathy towards their learning challenges. Show genuine interest in their progress and goals, and provide constructive feedback to encourage improvement. Use positive reinforcement to acknowledge their achievements and motivate them to excel. Create a comfortable and safe space for asking questions and sharing ideas. By building a strong relationship based on trust and respect, you can enhance the learning experience for your students. Number 4. Seek feedback. Regularly soliciting feedback from students is essential for improving your teaching methods in online tutoring. Create surveys or feedback forms to gather input on your teaching style, materials, and overall effectiveness. Encourage honest and constructive feedback to identify areas for improvement. Use this feedback to make adjustments to your teaching methods, such as incorporating new techniques or resources, to better meet the needs of your students. By actively seeking feedback and being open to suggestions, you can continuously improve your teaching skills and provide a more effective and engaging learning experience for your students. Number 3. Identify your expertise. Determine the subjects or areas you excel in and are passionate about teaching. Consider your expertise, experience, and interests to identify the subjects or topics you can confidently teach. Whether it's mathematics, languages, science, or music, focusing on your strengths and passions will not only make tutoring more enjoyable for you, but also help you deliver high-quality lessons and engage your students effectively. By choosing subjects or areas you excel in, you can build credibility and attract students who are looking for expert guidance in those specific areas. Number 2. Enjoy the experience. Enjoying the experience of helping others learn and grow is a key aspect of online tutoring. While earning extra income is a significant benefit, the satisfaction of seeing your students succeed and develop their skills is invaluable. Embrace the opportunity to make a positive impact on your students' lives and foster a love for learning. Celebrate their achievements, no matter how small, and take pride in being a part of their educational journey. Number 1. Stay updated. Staying informed about advancements in education and technology is crucial for enhancing your tutoring skills. Keep up to date with the latest teaching methods, educational tools, and learning technologies to improve your effectiveness as a tutor. Attend webinars, workshops, and conferences related to education and tutoring to expand your knowledge and skills. Explore new online tools and resources that can enhance your tutoring sessions and engage your students. By staying informed and continuously learning, you can adapt to the changing educational landscape and provide a more effective and enriching learning experience for your students. By considering these points, you can start your online tutoring journey successfully and make a positive impact on your students' lives. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on online tutoring, teaching and tutoring for extra income.